Hanaya Haven. So this is Hotel Apartel. Look at the room. You can do everything here. You can cook.
You can do everything.
Well, you can.
You can.
I can't lock it. I can't lock. Oh.
You've got to do this the opposite way, I think. The opposite way.
Yeah. They got Netflix. Look at this. It's like an apartment. They got fridge, freezer, cooker. And they got this Korean. You can do Korean thingy here.
That's the best thing. Is a fridge freezer, isn't it?
And cooker. You can do rice or whatever. Water. And they got stuff there to use. Really nice. These are. And we are staying here for 2 nights. And the toilet, shower, double bed, and there's an extra bed if you want another bed. That's really nice. Wardrobe.
Nice when you got things that just clean.
Good place, yeah. Nice and clean. Looks brand new. That's the street. Yeah. So we're in Davao, and this is what this is called. I can't remember the building. We are in room 401. This is Apartel. We're staying for 2 nights because we need to do the tire. One of the tire. Motorbike tires needs changing, and they got Kawasaki in Davao. So we are doing that, and then we'll go off after 2 nights. So this is really nice. How much 2 nights?
3,800.
3,800 is not bad. We are nearby Bangkirohan Market. I'll go there. So I can do some cooking. So tiring. We been driving for 4.5 hours, wasn't it?
Yeah.
4.5 hours from San Agustin. I think that was San Agustin. It's nice resting time again for my bottom. And they got really nice Wi-Fi here, so I'll be able to upload.
Oh, what's the Wi-Fi?
It's hello, Asus 74. Grateful bread.
Where are we going?
I was gonna go to market. Gaisan.
No, well, I thought we had food.
You want to go in Asian Cow? Asian Cow. So 3 person. Okay. I'll have that, and then 1 cup of rice, please.
What naman? Yung yuzu, ma'am?
Yeah, I'll try that one.
Can I get the
What's her?
Thai pork sausage?
I'm having this one. And they got
Would that be
plenty
too
of
much for us? Or was that okay? Not bad.
dessert. Their dessert is so many. Pastry,
5 rolls.
croutons,
Okay.
gelato, dessert in a can, drinks. The drinks as
Okay, that'd be
well.
lovely.
Yeah. They got plenty of pudding.
Yeah, these are nice.
It's a homemade, sir.
They're lovely.
What is it?
Homemade. Homemade and chips. And the dips, is the cucumber dip.
No.
Anything else po, ma'am, sir?
No.
No.
That's great.
I did your order, sir. One user glazed pork ribs, typhoon, sausage wrap, and one cup rice.
Thank you.
10 to 15 minutes waiting time.
Salam. Yeah, these are lovely.
This is Asian cow. He is asleep. Oh, young sheep. Young and hungry. Maganda. Best restaurant in 2020. Tatler Dining Philippines 2022 Asian Cup. There you go. It's really nice. Very nice.
They've got lemongrass in it.
Glazed pork something. Yum. I can't remember what it is. Oh, look at your sausage. What sausage is that? My gosh, can you eat all that? And the salad.
No, that was it. The cat said here.
Oh yeah, give some the cat. Thank you. Give some the cat. That's a bit too much.
Get out of here. We start.
Yeah. It's big. It's massive. Try it. See what it's like. Can I have a small one? That's salted caramel puff, and this is cheesecake, chocolate cheesecake something.
Yourself?
No, I'm just having this one. I'm not very keen on chocolate cheesecake.
I should have cut it smaller, shouldn't I? Because then we can take it with us.
Yeah.
Well, we have anything for tomorrow.
This is definitely nice with black coffee.
Blimey.
Yummy. Very chocolate.